Okay, I keep getting asked how I do this eye look, so let's get into it. Just apply bronzer to my eyelids. In this liner brush from Morphe, I'm going to take a black and brown eyeshadow. And I'm going to start off by tracing the wing of my eyeliner first. So once I have the direction of the wing, I'm going to take the shadow and pull it inwards. I'm going to flip my brush around and use the pointed side to elongate the wing. Take it in even further and just fill in any gaps. Doesn't have to be perfect because you're going to take this big brush and blend it all out. This is optional, but I like to add a little baby line in my inner corner. Curl your lashes, apply mascara. These are clusters from my eyelash collection. Come in 3 lengths, short, medium, and then long. I'm going to start by applying the shortest lash first. This is style CL02 from Emboss Beauty. I'm now taking a medium cluster. I'm now taking a medium length cluster and then ending with 2 long clusters. So I have a total of 4 clusters on, ranging from short, medium to long. So this is with lashes and then no lashes. I want to thank you all so much for selling out these clusters. I worked so hard on them. I have made them available for pre-orders, so you can still order them. Thank you so much. It means the world.